She said, you're bayot because you're not going to eat the
The old lady just called that kid gay because he won't eat the egg. He's like, oh, don't be gay, stupid.
Close your eyes, then ipasok ba?
How about you, sir? You don't want to eat balut?
No way, no way. I'll just watch.
This is a balut challenge.
No.
Yeah.
Even watching,
It's Sunday.
Where are we
evening.
going?
We're going to the Boulevard and let's see if there's a balut over there.
Balut? No.
Yeah, but quick!
Waiting for the
Tricycle!
zip duck. Nope.
Tricycle?
Hello.
This one is huge.
I can't see you. It's too dark.
This one is a luxury. It's like a Ferrari.
This is the Filipino limousine.
Yeah.
I can definitely smell the ocean.
See the secure?
Look at that tree. Lazy.
Invite everybody who wants to
Salamander. Salamander.
dance collaboration dance groups here. Skip Dance Family, and we have a school from Tanhai City, the Tanhai High School legislated will also be dancing with us. They have been performing also in the
Are they
Puglasan
clap
and they've
dancing?
been winning as well. And us, Kahayak Dance Company. Hindi tayo mag-picture.
Can I have one? Papalit ako ba? Nag-video ko. Sarah. Cheese. Ayan. 4 different flavors? Ubi. Kanay ka duha?
Chocolate,
Chocolate manga. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Dirt. Too much, huh? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
What? How many can you fit on there?
This one is the best ice cream. I will try to eat it. I'm not into ice cream, but this one is the best ice cream. I will try to eat it. I'm not into ice cream, but
What's that stuff? Peanuts?
peanut. Baby! It's sweet.
Oh, you can't have that one.
It's not for sale.
What is it?
Balut.
Yeah, you could eat it. I'm not eating it.
Isa mo balut kay palito na ako. We're going to look for a little one to eat the balut.
That's gross.
It's fine, huh?
Let's walk around. No way am I eating food.
Huh?
No way am I eating a baby chick.
No.
Tuk tuk. There's a lot going on, but it's so dark I can't see anything. So what? I refuse to have balut, so this kid said he will eat it if we buy it. Show me. Well, he doesn't like it either?
I like it. It's hot.
Oh, it's hot.
Pina daw.
Why is it hot? I thought it was
It's
chicken
hot.
there.
It's hot.
I refuse, so
Ako ang kay mga yung mga
Judia's bought one for a kid.
Dili kayo ka ng episode. Kanang gamay-gamay ng episode ba? Init. It's hot. Ipakita dong, ipakita dong.
Are you gonna eat one?
Yeah. I will try.
Show me.
Ipakita. Try to. Ipakita dong.
Oh god, I can see.
Ikaw ka nga? Ikaw ka daw? Bali mo na ni dong.
Help him open it. It takes forever.
Hey, my friend.
How are you?
What's your name?
How are you? You like Balut?
Wala
You want tempura?
Wala nga eh.
No.
You want tempura?
What's that?
Ben,
Wait, I wanna see.
wala man na ni mo tagay kasin. Tara, tara. Salt.
Kamay ka nagpiso, di mo mga ulo.
Wala na piso?
You want tempura?
No.
You want coke?
No tempura.
Vinegar.
You want balut?
Here, look.
Malot. Dabi.
Lahat siya dahil.
Kaan ka? Iwan. Yeah. Kana ka mo.
Let's see.
Katong dito ka.
Ara.
Ay, katong ani.
Ano mo na po?
I can see feathers.
Yummy. I-open daw. Ayaw na. Sige, open na daw.
He needs to open it so I can see.
Open na daw.
Okay, panulog guys. Bago di karoon.
Yeah,
What is that?
Ipakita ang alien.
Kapag kita sa piso, ayan.
See, I wanna see.
That's a duck. A baby duck.
Pakita, open na daw.
Wait, let me see.
Kita
Oh, it's gone already. That's disgusting. Where's yours? Did he kick you?
Baliktad mo na ba?
Baliktad. Ay, narumsin dahil. She said, you're bayot because you're not going to eat the
Sa'yo na.
The old lady just called the kid gay because he won't eat the egg. He's like, oh, don't be gay, stupid.
close your eyes, then ipasok ba?
How about you, sir? You don't want to eat balut?
No way. I'll just watch.
This is a balut challenge.
No.
Yeah.
Even watching, I'm sick.
Very small.
Babe, this
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like a Pinoy.
Oh, I can't do it. You look like a monster, Pete. How can you eat that? I can smell it. Vinegar does not help the smell. Tell him to show me the inside.
Pinoy. No. Oh, this one. Pakita dong. Ang alien.
Sir, this is Pinoy. No chick inside.
Oh, that's still gross.
It's like a boiled egg.
Yeah, but
For me,
no.
I don't like it, that one. I like big so.
The
She
lady
likes
that
it.
sells them, she doesn't even like them. It's her job. She sells them all day.
But she don't like to eat
She called that kid gay because he won't eat the egg. You bayot?
Gilabay. Gilabay.
Hadlo pa ng piso tayo.
Oh my
Hadlok
god.
ang piso.
Muli,
Pila to ako ate.
One to share.
Ayan.
Tag-20.
Ate, pangay niya. Lakaw.
Give him one to share because I'm gonna be sick.
Lakaw, tubig. He's
Sabay
asking.
ko na ka.
Tubig.
Come on,
You want a Coke?
Oh, pinili. Ate niya, bata.
I don't care.
Sige, balik.
He earned it, Pete. He ate that. He's trying to hide it. He's trying to hide the gross
Yeah.
one. She's like, stupid kid.
No, gito ko.
Ibinuangan dyan eh. Ibinuangan dyan eh.
Ugh. I'm getting out of here. This
Lobby.
stinks.
Lo, patay yun.
You're not kissing me for like a week.
There's no chick, oy.
Yours is. I saw it wiggling in there. she asked me to share a drink with her, and I was like, no way. You freaking duck fetus mouth.
Nostro. Penalty 500.
Oh, straw penalties? Cool, let's go. Let's get away. So what I think is funny is on the boulevard, this whole row, seller, 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 there's like 100 of them. They're all selling the same shit. And it's all those duck fetuses. If just one of these dudes was selling the falafel, they'd be rich right now. And I'd make them rich. Be the one not selling a duck fetus, man. Where to now?
We're just going to walk over
Let's
there.
get away from the duck fetus area.
Dale. Duck fetus.
Look, all they have, they sell the same thing. He always finds her mango.
Nagpila ni.
Thank God, food with no fetus in it. We gotta go get some Western coffee. Bose or Tom Tom. Just seeing all that, all those duck fetuses with the gray, gray bloody water inside and the feathers. My stomach is like, I didn't even eat one. Let's go get some coffee. This is security. Hard at work. So I got a question.
Yeah.
What's the point in Balut?
Huh?
Like everybody here likes,
Balut.
no. Everybody likes boiled eggs, right?
Yeah.
Everybody likes baked eggs, scrambled eggs, like regular stuff, right?
Yeah.
But why Balut? Why a half-developed chicken or duck fetus?
Balut is way more yummier than
No, it's
the
not.
regular one.
Nobody likes it. P, I've never seen anybody eat it.
Yeah.
Like the kids, we had to pay those kids to eat them, and they don't even like them. He was like trying to hide it. The
No.
lady that sells it doesn't leave it. She refuses to eat it. Yeah, everybody, the whole boulevard is lined with people selling them. You refuse to eat it too. The one you ate was a level 1 that's not even started yet. So I don't get why everybody sells those. They can sell
Stronger.
oh, whatever. Makes your knees stronger. Making stories. Yes, I don't get the point. I bet they could sell boiled eggs all day, or scrambled eggs, or egg sandwich,
The
or
regular one like tastes just normal, but the balut is way more yummier. Than
it's not yummy. You refuse. You know it's not. You refuse to eat it.
It's yummy. I tried, right?
Huh?
I tried
Yeah, but that was a level 1
without
with no chick. You cheater. You tried to do one the other day. You're trying to make me do it, but you wouldn't do it. And you're Filipina.
But I'm going to eat the big one. Once you're going to challenge with me.
The lady, oh no way I'm doing it. The lady that sells it refuses to do it. Why would I? It's nasty. I don't get you. It's a bunch of furries.
It's not nasty. It's yummy.
It's disgusting. If it's not disgusting, how come you don't eat it?
I ate it.
You ate a number 1 with no chick. That's a boiled egg. You might as well have a boiled egg.
But it's not my fault because there's no such big chick that
There is. The
she's
kids.
selling.
The kids were eating it, and I was throwing up about to watch it. Those kids that eat everything wouldn't eat it. That should say something. I'm serious. If you start all those egg fetus sellers, if you start like a falafel stand right in the middle,
Yeah.
you'll be rich.
I don't really like eating falafel, okay?
Oh my god. Look at this thing. I had to try the butter,
They don't lose it.
cheese, honey. Only because it reminds me of Farmville so much.
The one that you made?
Yeah, on Farmville. Hey, what did you just eat? No, what did you just steal?
I forgot the name.
And who else? Who at this table is lactose intolerant? Guys, she does this every time.
And Gito.
She gets super sick, like starts throwing up and being cranky when she eats dairy or cheese or whatever. And then 3 seconds later, she forgets and does it again. Don't try to change the subject. So I got this like cheesy thing. I'm like, yeah, you can't eat it. You're gonna get sick, like you do every day. She's like, I don't care. It's so good. God, Pete. Now you're gonna be up all night, blaming me.
I'm gonna miss half of my life.
Yeah, in the bathroom throwing up. She's already complaining, and I was wondering why. What did you do? What is wrong with you? Yeah, you look great. Freaking cheese monster. I'm allergic to cheese. Give me cheese. So I guess it's gonna be a short video, huh?
Yeah.
We were gonna show the boulevard, but it's dark and nothing to see. Cool.
Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and like, comment, and
Yeah, you're so quiet, nobody can hear you, but cool story. Bye.